This question is related to Doppler effect. Here there is an observer. He is in a railway station. He is seeing two trains. First, train A, which is moving towards the station, and train B, it is moving away from the station. It is leaving from the station. Now these two trains are emitting a frequency, same frequency, which is 300 Hz, and speed of sound is 330 meter per second. And these trains are moving with the speed 30 meter per second. So since these trains are emitting the sound and these are moving, so I have considered their speed as velocity of source or speed of source Vs. And here observer is not moving, so velocity of observer is 0 meter per second. Now this observer will listen the sound emitted by the train A with a frequency, that is Fa. Similarly for train B, he will listen with the frequency Fb. Now we need to find this Fa and Fb. From that we need to find the difference of this Fa and Fb. So that's what this question is about. So let's write a generalized expression to find the apparent frequency, which is equal to, let's consider F is the apparent frequency, which can be written as F0 V plus or minus V0 V plus or minus Vs. So this plus or minus sign we have to choose carefully based on the relative distance between observer and the source. If the relative distance decreases, then the frequency will increase. If the relative distance increases, then the frequency will decrease. So let's consider first case Fa. So the train is moving towards the observer. It is reaching the station, so moving towards the observer, which means the distance between observer and the source is going to decrease. The frequency will increase. If the frequency needs to increase, then the denominator should have low value, so it should be negative. Since V0 is 0, I haven't put up anything here. Let's substitute. This is 300, 330, 330 minus 30. So we'll get 330 Hz. This is the frequency of train A listened by the observer, which is Fa. Let's do the same thing for train B. Here F0 V, yeah, we have to choose whether we need to use plus or minus. For train B, it is leaving the station, which means it is moving away from the observer. So the distance between the observer and the source is increasing. If the distance increases, then the frequency will decrease. So in order to decrease the frequency, we have to have a bigger denominator. So I will use plus sign Vs. Here 300, 330, 330 plus 30. So which will give us 275 Hz. So we know Fa, we know Fb, and we need the difference between these two frequencies, which means 330 minus 275, which is 55 Hz. So second option is the correct answer.